What if you could just ditch the daily chaos of running your audit firm? And what if, instead, you could show up with this incredibly sleek, professional digital platform for all your clients? Well, in this explainer, we're going to show you exactly how a dedicated digital platform can streamline everything you do and become your #1 tool for growth. So here's our game plan. We'll kick things off by talking about the operational headaches that are probably way too familiar to you. Then we'll introduce a really powerful solution, getting your own branded platform. After that, we'll break down how this helps you streamline, engage with clients, and grow your firm before we get to the best part, freeing you up to focus on what you actually do best, auditing. All right, let's have a little reality check. We're in an age of super demanding clients and tough competition. The random mix of tools you're using to run your firm, well, it's either giving you an edge or it's a major weak spot. Does this whole juggling act feel familiar? I bet it does. You're trying to manage client emails in one place, you're using another platform for secure documents, and oh yeah, a totally different system for invoicing. All this while trying to figure out who's doing what. It's just a recipe for disaster, for things getting missed and clients getting frustrated. But what if you could replace all that chaos with one single, streamlined, professional system that has your firm's brand all over it? Well, that's exactly what Audit Pro is all about. So what is Audit Pro really? The best way to think about it is like your firm's own digital headquarters. It's not just some off-the-shelf app. It's a whole ecosystem that gives you a branded presence on Android, iOS, and the web. It lets you control the entire client experience, from the very first interaction to the final invoice, all in one spot. Let me walk you through how it works. First, we launch your branded app. Then you set up all your services. It's super easy, a one-time thing. Next, you bring your clients and your team on board. And from that point on, the magic really happens. All your client requests, chats, invoices, everything flows through this one organized channel. And you want to know the best part? The platform automates all that tedious follow-up and tracking, which frees up your team to do the important, high-value work. Okay, now for the part that really matters. How does all this translate into a stronger, more profitable firm for you? Let's dig into the key advantages. Let's talk about your internal operations first. Just imagine having one dashboard where you can see the status of every single client and every project with just a glance. Seriously, no more digging through endless email threads to find a document or chasing a team member for an update. This kind of central control means faster service, quicker payments, and a way more productive team. But the benefits go way beyond just your internal team. I mean, what kind of message does having your own custom branded app send to your clients? It tells them you're a modern, professional firm that actually values their time and their experience. And in a market this competitive, that's how you build real loyalty and trust. But hey, don't just take it from me. Listen to what Naveen Kumar, a CA from India, had to say about it. He was able to completely digitize his client workflow without the massive cost and headache of managing his own servers. That right there is the power of a fully managed solution. And that testimonial brings us to maybe the most important point about Audit Pro. You know, in today's digital world, it kind of feels like every business has to also be a tech company. But what if you could get all the benefits of that cutting-edge technology with absolutely none of the headaches? Let's be real for a minute. If you were to try and build an application like this from scratch, in-house, you'd be looking at a team of developers, a huge bill for secure cloud hosting, and then the nonstop cost of maintenance and updates. We're talking about an initial investment that could easily run you 20 lakhs. And that's money and focus that should be going towards serving your clients, not building software. With Audit Pro, you can just forget about all of that. It is a completely managed solution. That means we handle everything: the servers, the security, deploying to the app stores, all the support. You can think of us as your own personal tech team, so you can go back to focusing on being an auditor, not an IT manager. So it really just boils down to a simple choice. Do you want to pour your time and a ton of money into the really complex, high-risk business of software development? Or do you want to invest in a proven, secure, and affordable platform that will help you serve your clients better from day one? To me, the choice is pretty clear. So the real question is this: are you ready to leave the chaos behind and step into a more modern, streamlined, and professional way of working? Are you ready to finally focus on what you do best and let the technology do the heavy lifting for you? If you're ready to take that next step, we would love to show you how Audit Pro can be customized specifically for your firm. Get in touch with us using the details you see on your screen.